Hey guys, Joe Jordan Bikes. Got a Triumph Tiger 1050 Sport ABS here for you. It's a 2013 on a 63 plate. It's done 11,828 miles. Full service history, great condition, it's really been looked after. It's got a radiator guard on there. It's got the engine bars, so if you do drop it, it'll protect the engine. Triumph handguards, billet levers. Lovely bike. It's got the Arrow exhaust on there, and it does have the stand as well, which are both in great condition. Also comes with a Triumph top box. It has been lowered as well, as you can see. It's been dropped a couple of inches. It's got a genuine Triumph lowered seat on there. We can jack it back up for you if need be. So yeah, come down and see us. I'll give it a quick fire up. Awesome bike for not that much money. Come down and see us guys, give us a ring, drop us an email. See you soon. Thank you very much.